Get ready for shorthand dictation. 5 seconds. Start. In coming to this decision, High Court was guided by the decision of the Punjab and Haryana High Court in the Sundar Sam Kapoor and others versus Honorable Chief Justice and others bracket 1987 for SLR 460 stop. On the basis of this judgment, Chief Justice Punjab and Haryana High Court had directed that the petitioners therein were entitled to the benefit of redesignation and equation of the posts of senior translators and junior translators from 23/1/1975 stop. It was considered before the High Court that since, as per policy and practice, the state government was adopting the pay scales sanctioned for the officers and servants of the Punjab and Haryana High Court, and accordingly, the Chief Justice of the High Court had similarly recommended for the redesignation and equation of the posts in question from 23/1/1975 stop. The aforesaid judgment of the Punjab and Haryana High Court in Sundar Sam Kapoor's case bracket Supra has been reversed by this court in Punjab and Haryana High Court Chandigarh through its registrar versus Sundar Sam Kapoor and others bracket 1997 9 SCC stop para. The respondents before us are employees working in the establishment of the High Court as senior translators and junior translators top. They are governed by the Himachal Pradesh High Court officers and servants bracket salaries, leave, allowance and pension bracket close rules 1971 bracket start for short the rules bracket close stop. Similar posts in the establishment of the Punjab and Haryana High Court are governed by Punjab and Haryana High Court establishment bracket appointment and conditions of service bracket close rules 1973 stop. Relevant provisions of these rules of Punjab and Haryana High Court were given effect in that High Court with effect from 25/9/1985 as per notification dated 23/1/1986 after receiving approval of the President of India under clause 2 of Article 229 read with Article 231 of the Constitution stop. As a result, posts of senior translators were redesignated as revisers and equated with the posts of superintendent grade 2 in the establishment of the Punjab Civil Secretariat stop. Similarly, posts of junior translators were redesignated as translators and equated with the post of assistant in the establishment of the Punjab Civil Secretariat stop. Consequent upon the redesignation of these posts in Punjab and Haryana High Court, these posts were similarly redesignated oblique equated in the High Court by the Chief Justice after obtaining approval from the Governor of the state stop. That was by notification dated 17/6/1987 stop. Respondents were given their new designations and scale of pay from 25/9/1985 stop para. Subsequently, notification dated 23/1/1986 issued by the Punjab and Haryana High Court was superseded by another notification dated 3/5/1986, whereby Punjab and Haryana High Court establishment of bracket appointment and service conditions bracket close rules 1973 were given effect from 23/1/1975 instead of 25/9/1985 stop. This was done there because of the decision of the Punjab and Haryana High Court in the case of Sundar Sam Kapoor's case bracket Supra as above mentioned stop. However, on the basis of respondents represented to the Chief Justice of the High Court to allow them similar benefits from 23/1/1975 stop. Their case was recommended by the Chief Justice to the state government for obtaining approval of the governor of the state for redesignation equation of the post of senior translators and junior translators from 23/1/1975 instead of 25/9/1985 stop. Since no approval was received from the governor of the state as recommended by the Chief Justice of the High Court, the respondents filed writ petition in the High Court under Article 226 of the Constitution for redressal of their grievance stop. By the impugned judgment, High Court agreed with their stand stop para. The state of Punjab was reorganized into states of Punjab, Haryana, and Himachal Pradesh to begin with, was a union territory and was given the status of full statehood in 1970 stop. Since employees of the composite states of Punjab were taken in various departments of the state of Himachal Pradesh in order to safeguard the seniority pay scales, etc. The state of Himachal Pradesh followed the Punjab pattern of pay scale stop. After attaining the status of full statehood, High Court of Himachal Pradesh formulated its own rules and regulations for its employee stop. It adopted the pattern of Punjab and Haryana High Court rules of their employee stop. When Punjab and Haryana High Court gave effect to a certain portion of its rules from 25/9/1985 by notification dated 23/1/1986, as a result of which redesignation of the posts of senior translators and junior translators were equated to the posts in Punjab Civil Secretariat, the Himachal Pradesh High Court. Similar effect was given to in its rules for its employee stop. When the Punjab and Haryana High Court gave effect to those rules from 23/1/1975, the state government did not agree to recommendations of the Chief Justice of the Himachal Pradesh High Court to follow the same suit stop. It is true that till now Himachal Pradesh High Court has been following the rules applicable to the employees of the Punjab and Haryana High Court, and it may go on following those rules as may be amended by the Punjab and Haryana High Court from time to time, but certainly it is not bound to so follow stop. No law commands the state government to follow the rules applicable to the employees of the Punjab and Haryana High Court to the employees of the Himachal Pradesh High Court stop.